Hi guys, welcome back to Alex's Journey. Again, today I am gonna make a vlog on unboxing video of my new iPad Pro 2021 11-inch guys. Yay! I just literally bought a new iPad for myself. This is the box. iPad Pro. Like literally, and this is the back. 256 gigabytes. Just a Wi-Fi version. And I also bought the insurance as well, which was like 4,000 something plus. I haven't set it up yet, but I did do like a little open box already. Not open box, it's just testing at the thing. It's so thin, look at this. So it has a Face ID. Let's see how. Oh, I have 68%. So smooth. Need to connect to Wi-Fi because I don't have Wi-Fi. Kind of weird in a way because I mean I have been using Air for so long and now this is my first Pro, you know. I hope this is okay, connected to Wi-Fi, so this is how it looks like. So nothing special, it's just like the other iPads, you know. So I'm gonna do a quick setup for my device and be right back. Okay guys, I have already done the setup. Already linked to my Apple ID. Now I just have to download a few things like notes and stuff. I hope the pictures doesn't look right. So I want this iPad to be quite clean. Don't want any pictures. Let me set it. And how to update apps. Pictures. iPad photo note. I'm gonna keep this iPad clean as possible. So no photos yet. I need to download the Notability. Shall I say? No. Sorry. Because that's the best app that I need. I don't really play games, so you know, I don't really need anything. Seriously, dude, my cat just pooped. Oh, and I can finally use my Apple Pencil. Fortunately, unfortunately, I bought this Apple Pencil since like last year, and it's with my name. Not sure you guys can actually see it. Oh, you guys see my name? Like there's my name is like there. It's not focusing. So anyways, so where do I charge? So it works. It's like connecting. Ooh la la, it's so smooth. So, let's see in general. So, I have an Apple Care Plus, which I bought it like coverage for everything. I'm gonna change my name. To 56 gigabytes. Oh, my songs are already inside there. YouTube. Sign in. Continue. So this is actually bigger than my iPad Air, like way bigger. So my iPad Air is dying, like literally dying. So I bought this instead. So this is bigger screen. My iPad Air is like where is it? Money. This is my Air. It's still usable, but you know, like there are some parts that it's like hang. But I will still use this to do movie edits and stuff, or I might move it here and delete that part. I don't know. I'll wait for it. I'll see first, because I'm sure iPad Pro would be better with editing movies and stuff. What's that happening? Oh, here. Okay, I'll use Video Lab here, set this. So I will try to do the editing in iPad Pro instead, because iPad Pro is using M1, so it's pretty good. And I bought the case as well. This case is like 790 baht. Folio case. sadly, I don't have the engraving on my iPad because I literally go and buy it from U-Store, which is the student promotion. So clear. And yeah, this is my case. So my pad is already inside there. Oh, I need to. I don't really like the, you know, like when you flip it, it always open up the thing. Display. Where do I put it? I forgot where is that set up. Oh, you have a flash. I'm still working as well, so bear with me. Like I still have like work. I'm also vlogging and working at the same time, and my cat is like. Okay, so all the apps that I need are already here. And I already know how to use I think I need to buy Oh, I need to restore the purchase. Or is it gonna sync to my notes or something? Well, my cat is screaming, but I don't care. I'm literally testing out the. So weird for the Apple Pencil, but for me, it's like I don't know. So sorry, my camera just shut down. So that's kinda it for my new iPad unboxing journey. So I got it with a student price around like 27.9, I think. So the box inside, of course, it has the manual and stuff, and you have the power adapter cable and the charger. But I'm not using it because I have a lot of original charging cables already. So yeah, that's it. I'm keeping these. So now I have 2 iPads, 1 MacBook, 1 phone, and I'm ready. Okay guys, anyways, thank you for watching. If hope you like it, please subscribe, like, and share my videos. And I always upload my videos every Friday. I try to upload on every Friday. And if you want me to do any other contents for your suggestion, please comment down below. Anyways, see you guys next week. Bye bye.